So keep an eye, as I told you that keep an eye on the Gartner hype cycle. So if you have already gone to Google and type this word as Gartner hype cycle for emerging technologies and say 2019, 2020, 2017, you'll see that after you read through it, you will get a hang of it is how to read it. And so this will tell you is what are the technology which are coming up, which are not popular yet. They are not cheap, but eventually when it becomes cheaper, it will pick up and it will become the market and it will give opportunities. The second one I just talking about is um, most of this that I talked about in earlier slide. If you want to learn, you can do it free. So Salesforce has something called as a Trailblazer. So if you go and register yourself on Salesforce and start the Trailblazer, you will be able to learn most of things free of cost. So you get a free account. There are lessons given. Everything is given step by step. You can just try it out. Then on Microsoft, there is a program called Microsoft Learn. It does the same thing. So if you want to learn about cognitive or about the vision system, it's all there on Microsoft and you can do it. On Google Cloud, there is a similar trend called Google, I think it's Google Training Labs to my knowledge. So you can check that out. And even Amazon has something called as Learning Path. So if you see all the popular clouds which are being used by most of the big organization already have this free. So whenever you get time, you probably need not spend a lot of time. Even if you spend 1 hour per week, you will be able to get a hang of it. And it will also tell you what is cloud and how do you manage the cloud infrastructure, what is PaaS, what is IaaS and all, everything is given there. What it does it if you are in NIT or if you are in your final years of your college in computer science, IT, or any other stream, when you already tried this out and you have you know about the technology trend, and suppose you're appearing for an interview, it gives you an edge that you already are aware of these things and you can appreciate these technologies. So if somebody is trying to hire somebody for something for RPA, like I didn't mention the RPA by the way. So a lot of the RPA, Automation Anywhere and UiPath also give free licenses for a month and free lessons there. Even the best BI software like Tableau, they have a free account. You can like do things. There are certain limitation, but at least it gives you a feel of it. And whatever you do, the third point which I have put here is socialize. Use your social network to exchange ideas. Hey, tell people that hey, I did this. Put it on the LinkedIn. It does two things: is if you have not done the right thing or you have not done it the right way, somebody will point out and say that okay, you could have done this, so you'll get a free input there. Or if you put it some, you will also get noticed by somebody. I Just before this meeting, I had a person sitting in front of me. He interned with me, and then after that, he did this kind of thing on the free whatever I talked about, and he in the COVID period when he was home, and he put it on LinkedIn, and I needed that skill, so I contacted him. Fortunately, he was free, and I hired him. This was his first day. So it's already working. So what I'm just trying to tell you is something which is already being done today. So do that, and this will help you to stay on top of the changing trend, and you can learn them all.